Hey everyone, this is Daryl from Daily Crypto Trade Signals coming to you live from Vietnam, guys and gals, aliens, cats and dogs. And we got a great video for you. We got lots to talk about. We're going to talk about, can Dogecoin hit 50 cents in 2022? Can we do it, guys? Can we get it up there? Dogecoin to the moon, guys. I still think that it's going to be totally possible. We're going to talk about some details, analysis in the house. We're also going to talk about why the Doge developer has left. And it looks like he's going to be working for Google, the Alphabet Corporation. He's going to be focusing on blockchain development. So, oh my goodness, we didn't see that one coming. Wham, from left field, guys. So we're going to talk about all that stuff. Also, it looks like the Biddy is forming an M pattern, which is a very bearish pattern, and that could signal Bitcoin going down, DD down. So we're going to jump into that. We're going to talk about a whole bunch of stuff. Now I'm looking at the heat map in the house right now, and it's so red. I'm getting sunburned looking at this thing, but we're still seeing. You can see my Doji Woji in the house is still green, DD green, and it's totally different. It's very different, and you know the greenness, the loveness from the Doge is because of our Elon brother out there who had that tweet today, and this has created actually some traction. You know, normally would just kind of have momentarily impact, would go up and it would go down. But we're seeing that the Doji Wosher is doing pretty good today, despite, you know, Bitcoin going down and everything kind of in the doldrums, you know. And we're seeing that, you know, the leverage apes in the house, we're seeing that most of the long positions are getting wrecked, guys. So you can see that the leverage apes give those apes a banana. They need a banana. We got $224 million worth of leverage apes got wrecked. And it's kind of funny that I'm looking at it, we got tons of Ethereum, more Ethereum than Bitcoin. What's going on with that? That's kind of weird. And we're still seeing a lot of people are leverage trading the Shiba Inu in the house. I don't see any of the Doji Wosher being leverage trade right now, so that's pretty good in the house. And we're seeing that the majority of the leverage apes in there are about 75.38% are longs, guys, in totality. So, you know, we're seeing Bitfinex as a bit of an outlier out there. They're like, oh, my short charts. But we're seeing, look at all these longs just getting liquidated. So get ready, guys. Get ready to blast off, because we're going to see that the market makers are going to push it in the opposite direction, and hopefully this will give a big, nice kiss of reversal. Reversal for the Biddy, guys, because we need that right now. And we saw that the fear and greed, what's going on, ladies and gentlemen, right now. So we're seeing that we're moving back to extreme fear. I'm so scared. Remember, guys, buy the fear, live the fear, eat the fear, guys, and sell the greed, guys, because that's what you want to do, guys. Now we're in extreme fear. This is a huge opportunity to be buying the dippy whippies. Crypto's on sale, guys. It's Christmas all over. Remember, none of this is financial advice. I'm not a licensed financial advisor in house. I'm just an OG, guys, and this is just my opinion only. And remember, not one investment strategy fits all. So you need to do your own homework. Make sure you anything that you invest, make sure you never invest more than you're willing to lose, guys, and never ever leverage. Dogecoin to the moon, guys. And I believe it. You believe it. Let's get it, guys. So let's jump into it right now. And you know, Dogecoin price prediction: can Doge reach 50 cents in 2020? I think, in my personal opinion, this is not financial advice. And remember, TA only works until it does. I believe that 50 cents is definitely doable, more than doable. I think we could go higher right now. But I'm going to be, you know, take a conservative position. I'm going to say 50 cents is doable. And we're seeing a lot of data out there that is supporting that. You know, Dogecoin latest market statistics, as you can see here, currently Doge is ranked 11 by total market cap and is trading around about 14 cents. You know, this, they said 13.8, but it's been up because this came out before the Elon Musk are in the house, and we're not down, we're actually uppity up. And so that's not looking too bad in the house. And we're seeing that overall the Doji Wosher is looking healthy, wealthy. Healthy, wealthy in the house. Healthy and wealthy, guys. And we're seeing the Doji Wosher at 14.10. And, you know, overall we're doing pretty good. And, you know, let me just make that a little bit bigger so we can get you all seeing that. So it's cool in the beans. Cool beans in the house. And you saw today that the Doge went as high as 1467, went as low as 1383. So that article is not too far off, but you can see that since the Doge had the Elon tweet, and he was talking about in Santa Monica, Elon, they set up this new recharging station, yada yada yada, and and then Elon said that to make people less bored and tired while charging, he was going to open up restaurants and theaters and and create kind of an entertainment center attached to all of these charging stations. So that's cool. And then he said that absolutely you could pay for all of this with Dogecoin, and that's what helped propel the Doge to go uppity up. So that is one of the catalysts. That's why we're seeing Doge in the green, and we're seeing if we take a look at all the carnage in the house, we're seeing that all the cryptocurrencies are down, down, and we're seeing that Bitcoin could go below $40,000. So we're seeing that the only beauty out there, the only beautiful green is Doge right now. And if I go through all the top stuff, you're seeing nothing in the red. Tron, who knows? I don't know nothing about Tron. I wouldn't buy Tron. I'm not dissing on the Tron, but I just wouldn't buy it. And then of course we got XRP out of there. The OG don't like XRP. So if you're holding XRP, don't get mad at me. Don't beat me on the comments. I just don't like XRP. So the token's market cap right now, we're seeing that the Doge market cap is just above 18.3 billion, but it's still a long way from its 88 billion that it had on May 7th. Remember when Doge hit an all-time high? Everyone's going, yeah, we're going to the moon. We're going to the moon. Yeah, we're going to go to the moon. Well, we didn't quite get to the moon, and after the SNL, everything kind of cooled down, and it cooled down fast, guys. But overall, we're still been in the top spot. We're still in the top spot, so that is pretty good in terms of market cap and market rank. We're still up there, guys, so that is not too bad. And you can see that despite massive pullback, Doge is still up threefold since the last 12 months. So if you look at the overall position from where we are here to where we are here, we're still up 3x from there. So if you guys are taking more long-term rather than speculative position on Doge, you should consider this to be an overall bullish asset, guys. And I think Doge definitely 50 cents. Yeah, I love it. It's going to get there. And some other positive news and catalysts out there. And without a doubt, there is still considerable interest on Doge. The Doge community is still strong. We're still loving the Doge. And a lot of the Doge developers have gone out and said, look, guys and gals, it's so important for you guys out there not to be vitriolic, to be positive in the house when it comes to Doge. And because, if we want to get retailers to start to accept Doge as payment, we don't want to be a very vitriolic and nasty community. So that's why we need to be really positive out there and show the love out there and, focus on the Doge. Love the Doge, and be the Doge, guys. And that is about doing only good every day. And that on this channel we try to do that. We try to give as much as ways to charity. And you've seen the videos, guys. So in addition, in the last 3 months, meme coin has continued to add the number of its holders, adding over 300 new addresses to its network. And indeed, on November 21st, the number of holders stood at 4,523,672, compared to 4,830 on February 18th, meaning there was a total increase of 335 new holders. So you can still see that the Dogecoin holders is going uppity up. So that is cool, guys. And still, some people have been saying, oh, look at the distribution, 47%, 16 addresses owing 47%. But what people forgot to tell you is that a lot of these big whale wallets, a lot of them are large exchanges like Binance, like Robinhood, like Coinbase, and others are the ones that are holding a lot of these coins. So don't let the anti-Doge community, the people that don't like the Doge, say, oh, it's individuals. Sure, there might be one or two individuals, but the majority of these holders are exchanges, guys, and these exchange wallets. And basically, if you got Dogecoin on Robinhood, well, your Doge is being held by Robinhood, so you can see that the Robinhood wallet is going to be massive because there's a whole bunch of individuals like you and me out there holding the Doge, guys. So Doge is backed by big names in crypto. So Elon Musk is one of those big supporters for Dogecoin. We also have Snoop Dogg in the house, and we have one of the guys from Kiss, the rock band, out there. I forgot his name. It escapes me right now. I'm drawing a blanco out there. But according to Musk, Dogecoin is superior to the flagship digital currency Bitcoin in terms of transactions, because we all know that the transaction speeds are higher, the utility is better, and it's a cool guys. Being part of the Dogecoin community is cool, guys. And also Tesla is accepting Doge for payment to buy its merch, guys. And also looks like we could having SpaceX is also going to accept Doge or Wozer to buy its merch too, guys and gals. So guys, I just want to kind of you guys need to feel love and feel blessed and feel happy to be part of this whole Doge community. So I'm loving it. I'm loving the whole evolution. I'm loving the Dogecoin ride, guys, and Dogecoin to the moon, guys. And we got so much catalyst out there. I know a lot of you don't feel it like now. I know a lot of Debbie Downers gonna start hating on the OG right now. But the reason we're where we are right now has nothing to do with crypto. It has to do with the broader macro environment, the geopolitical environment, and the things that are going on. But this is what I got to say: buy the fear, live the fear, eat the fear, guys. And this is a great time to be going to buy the dips, guys. So once again, we're seeing so many altcoins on sale, guys. It's just amazing. Like look at ADA, 26% discount. Yeah, get some. Solana, 34% discount. Get some. Luna, 37% discount. Get some. DOT, 28% discount. Get some. This is not financial advice. Matic, 23.89%. Get some. We're seeing tons and tons. Link, 32% discount. Get some. Atom, 32%. Get some. Uni, 36%. Get some. We're seeing a lot of altcoins completely on sale, guys. Like Phantom, 35%. Get some. We're seeing a lot of stuff on sale, and that is a fantastic time. And this is a good time to be buying the dips, guys. Buy the dips, absolutely buying the dippy whips. So, Dogecoin developer explains why he's stepping away from the Doge or Wozer, and basically, Nicole Ross in the house, he's basically stepping away because he's overloaded. The stress involved is overwhelming, and he needs to focus on himself for a while. And also, too, his employer for his day job, reportedly Google in the house, wants him to be moving back in the blockchain space, guys. So hopefully that is good, because if we got somebody at the insider at the Alphabet Corporation, namely Ross Nicole in the house, my brother, my peep, so hopefully he should be making some blockchain action for Alphabet Corporation that's going to incorporate, or at least have some positivity for the Doge. So this could be actually good. Being an insider could be good. Being an insider in the machine could be good for the crypto space, guys, and could be for Dogecoin. So like I said, Dogecoin's at 14.11. It's one of the few cryptos right now that's showing green, and we got to thank Elon Musk for that. And so for this is from Bitcoin Archive, a healthy pullback after Bitcoin went up 39% in 17 days. Just hodl. So, from where we are right now, from when we were up to 39%, we're only down 14%. And it's not a big deal, guys. And what is driving that? It's not the fundamentals of Bitcoin. It's not the fundamentals of Ethereum or the altcoins or Dogecoin or all the layer ones. It is because of geopolitical tensions, guys. That's all there is to it. And once the geopolitical tensions wash out, we're going to be making a reversal to the upside like horizon. So don't worry about that. We're seeing Kraken CEO is still bullish on Bitcoin and calls BTC a vote for freedom. So, Babas, get out of there. So, the chief executive officer for cryptocurrency, Kraken Exchange, says that he's still bullish. I'm still bullish. And speaking in a recent interview on Bloomberg Technology, the Kraken CEO, CEO Jesse Powell said that he still has a positive outlook for Bitcoin. And despite the crypto asset falling to break $100,000 last year, and we all thought that we were going to get there. I still believe that in spring and in summer, we're going to see cryptos absolutely explode to the moon, guys. So let's get more poppers. Thank you very much. So as I said, Federal Reserve officer prohibited from trading bonds, stocks, and cryptos. So that is pretty good. So because there's been a lot of accusations of insider trading and all of this kind of stuff. So there were some reports that emerged last year that a lot of people were doing this insider trader stuff and all this stuff. So it wasn't nefarious, right? Some people just try to take advantage of their positions and stuff. So that's kind of been written out of there. So you can't do that anymore. So that is bullish in the house overall. And, FBI is launching a new unit to tackle crypto exploitation. So the Federal Bureau of Investigation has launched a virtual asset exploration team to tackle crypto exploitation. So that's pretty good because there's a lot of people do get subject to these nefarious actors who try to take your crypto. So this is going to be good, guys. And this is also going to be part and parcel of the crypto regulation that Biden is going to sign next week, guys, part of that executive order. So that is good in the house. Some of the top 10 DEXs by TVL growth in the last 7 days. So we got the RSwap, Pala, WigoSwap, Sunday Swap. And remember, Sunday Swap is that Cardano thing, right? We got WigoSwap, which is Phantom, and we've got Near Protocol. We got Kronos in the house, Phantom again, Phantom, Polygon, and Avalanche and Theta. So these are all the different swaps: M Finance, Beethoven X, QuickSwap, TradeJoe, and Theta Swap. So you can see that the amount of TVL growing on some of these decentralized exchanges is good, guys. And if we look at the total TVL right now, locked on chains, we're seeing that Ethereum is number 1, Terra is number 2, and we're seeing the total amount of money locked on exchanges is huge, guys. Absolutely huge, guys. We're seeing that Ethereum is like 116 billion locked on chain right now. Sure, it's down right now, but look at Terra. Terra Luna in the last 7 days is still up, guys. BSC is number 3rd spot's down. We're seeing the total TVL locked on Avalanche is up, guys. Despite all the Kiboshi stuff, it's still up. Phantom is down. Solana is down. So, if you guys were going to ask me, Daryl, where you want to put your money in terms of, layer ones, this is what I'm looking at. I'm holding this one. I'm holding this one. I'm holding this one. Holding this one. Holding this one. Holding this one. This one. I'm holding Polkadot. I'm holding Harmony. So I'm holding a lot of these stuff. So I love it. You love it. And this is where I think these things are going to be huge, with gaming and metaverse as well. So that's what I'm looking at, and I'm loving it. You should be loving it too, guys. So this is from Steve, and within the rate of adoption, there is a point innovation reaches critical mass. That's a tipping point, and this is usually following the 3rd wave and is the most powerful Elliott wave of all. And we can see that 3 of 3 is primed to cross that chasm, and chasm driving self-sustained mass adoption. So we're still seeing that we are still in the early adopter phase, and once we get past that Elliott wave 3, 1, 2, 3, we're going to see that once the mass adoption hits, $500,000 Bitcoin could not be unheard of. A $5 Dogecoin could not be outrageous in the house. These things are absolute possibilities. So that is what I'm saying. So you guys can see right now that a lot of us are still in this whole disbelief phase, and this rally will fail like all others. And this is what a lot of Debbie Downers have been saying. Interest rate hikes, 20K. So a lot of negative Nancy's, the weak Nancy's, the ones that like to wet the bed all the times and blow their load early. We're still in this whole disbelief. This rally will fail like all others. Then optimism, belief, thrill, and then hopefully this will be the time when the smart money starts to exit, guys. So right now we're still in the disbelief phase, and we are going to continue going uppity up, in my opinion. And looks like Kevin O'Leary says that Bitcoin will hit 3,000K when institutions start buying, and I believe that when institutions start aping like a rise, we're going to see that things are going to go uppity up, guys and gals. So let's jump into Biddy right now. So Biddy is now at 39,950 Kajunka, and we have to watch for this area here at $32,000 and $32,823. Now I did talk about this. This is a keys area that we need to look at right now, and we're going to take a look at the 4-hour as well. There's an M pattern forming. We're going to talk about that. And right now, but still, we're still in this horizontal support line, and that horizontal support line is between 42 and around 38. So we're still okay. As long as we stay in that, we're going to be fine. We also got this purple line as well. This is also key support. and that is around about 35.8 in the house. That is also key support in the house, so that is also good as well. So if we take a look at the Bitcoin on the 4-hour chart, we can see that Bitcoin is kind of, let me get this out of there, get out of there. We can see that Bitcoin is forming kind of this what I call the McDonald pattern here, and if we look at the base of this M pattern, it goes all the way down here. So we could see ourselves actually retracing to this kind of area here. So let me just draw a straight line for you. So from my perspective, we could see ourselves possibly breaking down all the way to $37,000 in the house, and then hopefully we could, if we get that down to that area, 37 to 37.9, 37,000 to 36.9, excuse me, and then hopefully we can get a reversal. But that's all going to depend on the geopolitical situation, the rate hikes, and all that kind of stuff. So one of the main support areas to watch is this $33,000. Well, what I'm saying is not impossible for Bitcoin to go down there. I do not think that Bitcoin is going to go any lower than 33,000. I mean, I would put my money on it. I don't think that we're going to see Bitcoin go below 33,000. I don't think so. I don't think we're going to get there. And if we do, it's only going to be for a quick impulse to the downside, and then we're going to get an upside. So I really don't think so. And you can also see that these areas here are holding a huge support on my parallel channel, and this is around about the 29 area as well. So we got some huge support around 29 area, 29 to $30,000, but I don't think we're going to be dropping anywhere below that area. I think that 33 is probably the lowest we're going to go, guys. So smash the likes, comment, guys. Remember, none of this is financial advice. Let's jump quickly into the Shibi Weeby now. So Shibi Weeby is also breaking down as well, and Shibi Weeby is at 27.46. I mean, it hasn't gone down as much as other stuff, but we are forming a bit of we're now forming lower lows. We're forming lower lows across most of the crypto right now, and hopefully that we did just go drop below the 50-day EMA, so that is not good in the house. So we could be following this channel line going all the way down here, and we have some additional support around here, around about this area here. So we could be forming some kind of apex around here. So hopefully, let me just fix it up there around here, and hopefully we could get if we do hit this apex area, we could start to see a reversal coming in, and that could come in around about the end of February by the looks of it based on this chart. Remember, T only works until it doesn't. Don't beat me up if we don't hit, guys. We could be wrong. I could be wrong. So we see also too that Ethereum is also forming kind of an M pattern to the downside, and you can see that if we follow the M pattern on Ethereum as well, we got the opposite. We got the McDonald's golden arches, and this looks like this is like the reverse neckline here. So this is acting as support around about 27.33. So if we do not reverse and go to the upside, then we could be considering ourselves going down lower to around about 2100. So hopefully we'll get a reversal soon for Ethereum, and hopefully we'll be painting an upside in this direction. So that could be probably happening sometime end of February as well. So this weekend we're probably just going to see a lot of sideways action. We're seeing that Phantom has broken down as well. It's still trading between 191 and we got our low level of 177. So if Phantom does break down this previous flash wick here, then our next support level for Phantom, and I'm not liking this at all, our next support level for Phantom is going to be around about in this area. Around about this area would be our next support level for Phantom. So that's not making me feel too good. That would be around about $1.32 in the house. So that is our next support level for Phantom if this area fails here. So I'm just telling it like it is, guys. I'm not going to tell you it's pink unicorns. I know a lot of the leverage traders are looking for the pink unicorns, but you're never going to find the pink unicorns, guys. So we're also seeing that Solana is breaking down as well. Like I said, if we break down below the $80 level, our next line line in the sand is probably going to be around about $66 in the house. So that is what's happening, and it's at $89.95. So hopefully get some reversal soon. So let's take a look at the market cap. The market cap is not looking too good. We're at 1.84 trillion. The volumes are super light. Remember, we got a long weekend. We got the President's Day weekend coming on. So we got the Bitcoin down. It says 41.30 right now. Let's take a look at the carnage in the house. So we're seeing that Bitcoin has fallen below $40,000. So that is not good. We're seeing that Ethereum is down 5% at 27.30. We're seeing BNB is down as well at 397, but it's holding up a lot better than Ethereum. We're seeing the XRPs. I don't like to talk about it, but I got to give credit where credit is due. It's up right now. So if you're holding XRP, you're happy, right? And looks like I'm going to be buying more ADA because ADA just dropped below $1. So I'm going to be picking up some more ADA like crazy. And Solana is down as well. Everything's looking down. But we got the Doge Wozers up, guys. So I'm loving it. You're loving it. The Dotty Waddy is down as well. So things are not looking good at all out there. So guys and gals, go follow me on my Twitter. Follow. Go down there, smash the likes, subscribe. I know it's a long one, guys. And but sometimes you got to be told, you got to be heard, right? We got to get the message out there. So this is just all about love, guys. Remember, this video is not financial advice. Go down and check out my links. Go do it right now. And don't forget to go check out the Weavy Wifey's channel. She just released 2 new videos, like 90 minutes relaxing music, uplifting jazz, guys. So if you need some relaxing music to get your stress out over this crypto market, this is a good time to do it, guys. Go do it. And don't forget to check out my Linky Winkies. You've done that. And also you can find the link to the merch, guys. Get the mug, get the backpack. And don't forget to give super chats, guys. And if you guys are interested in any NFTs, go check my NFTs, guys. Get on over. The link is in the description. So overall, I know that a lot of you are Debbie Downing right now, but we gotta love the Doge. You love the Doge. I love the Doge. Much wow for the Doge, guys. So God bless each and every one. I'll see you tomorrow morning, same time in the morning, sometime just before noon will be our next video, Vietnam time. So if you're awake, get on and watch that. You're going to love it. I'm going to love it. So God bless the community. Have a great weekend. Hopefully you guys spend some time with the kids and family. Go barbecue and be safe out there. I love it. You love it. Have a beautiful President's Day. You're going to love it on Monday. So guys, God bless you all. Thank you for being part of this community. And I feel much love. And remember, I'm working for you. This is only about you. And this couldn't be possible without you, all my peeps out there. So God bless you. Thank you so much. I mean that from the heart. I'm crying here. I love it. So guys, heartfelt thanks to all of you out there. Smash the likes, subscribe. This is Ric Flair, the Ice Baby of crypto, saying I love it, you love it. Be well, be blessed. Peace out, guys. See you in the next one.